That's the outlook for tourism. India's leading departmental stores staged a comeback in Q3 after the quick commerce wave rocked their boat in the September quarter. Shilpa standing by with more. Shilpa, the rise of quick commerce, of course, remains a key risk for departmental stores, but it looks like they're fighting back.
No, definitely they cannot be written off yet, and sales saw a comeback in the third quarter, and that's why the stocks of these retail chains were in focus today after they reported strong updates for the third quarter. Let's start with a big boy, DMart. Standalone revenues up 17.5% with 10 stores being added in the quarter. Now, remember, this comes after last quarter numbers were rather disappointing amid competition from quick commerce, but reaction from brokerages were mixed. They say that while revenue grew and the same-store sales growth of about 5.5% was above expectations, competition from the rapidly scaling quick commerce space continues to remain a risk. Now, the stock hit a high of 15% today on the back of the strong numbers. Next was V2 Retail, which came in very strong again with a 58% revenue growth and 25% same-store sales growth. Now, this stock also hit an upper circuit of 5% since morning. V-Mart also reported a 16% growth in revenue. This was a year-on-year, and it saw a sequential growth of about 55%. But while the stock surged up to about 4% in trade, it ended in the red. But it's important to note here that this stock had already rallied over 80% in the past year. Now, the cheer also interestingly rubbed off on the recently listed Vishal Mega Mart. It didn't really report any update, but that also surged as high as 9% in trade today. Now, these three companies, right, V-Mart, V2, Vishal, these are all companies that majorly operate in tier 2-3 cities. And they have this quarter benefited majorly from the festive season and the wedding season that has started in full swing in the last couple of months. Back to you.